Get into a car with value. 2023 Honda Odyssey. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek and powerful Odyssey. Its connectivity and ingenious cabin features make navigating your life's many demands easier and more convenient, while its advanced safety tech protects your most precious cargo. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, fog lamps, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, power passenger seat. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.